How to transfer items between accounts in Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll explore the possibility of transferring items between accounts in the Roblox. Let's see if this is feasible. I'm currently signed into my account on the official Roblox website, and in the avatar editor, I have some new items that I might want to transfer to another account. If you're in a similar situation and wondering about transferring your owned items to another account, here's what Roblox has to say about it. To transfer items between the accounts, first click on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then select Help from the drop-down menu that appears. This will take us to the Roblox support page or the Roblox Help Center. In the search bar at the center of the screen, search for the word Items. An article titled, "Can I move items, experiences, or Robux from one account to another?" should appear. According to the official Roblox Help Center, there is no such system in the place to transfer items or Robux between the accounts. However, it is possible to transfer experiences using the Roblox Studio. Therefore, it is not possible to transfer items and Robux. Only experiences can be transferred between the accounts. Any methods claiming to transfer items between the accounts are scams. Never share your password with such methods and be cautious, as there is no legitimate way to transfer items between accounts in the Roblox. The purpose of this video is to clarify that it is impossible to transfer anything between accounts except for the experiences. If this video has answered your questions, please consider liking and subscribing for more quick and helpful tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.